In this series, I tried out 7 different Linux gaming distros. I wanted to know if they are actually worth it. What do you actually benefit from choosing a gaming distro over a base distro? Will I find one that will pull me away from Fedora? If this is the first video you have seen in the series, go and check out the others. I've put the playlist link in the description below. Anyway, let's get on with it, shall we? As some of you will notice who've been watching the series, that BIOS looks very different and it's not as green or purple as you're used to. But it is because I did get a new motherboard, and it is because I wanted to have 2 M.2 slots. So one is a main Fedora install on the second PC, and the other is the Windows drive that I've been using for testing. And I've still got my 250 gig drive, which I've been using for these series. So yeah. All right then. So I have had quite a time trying to get this next video out. And the reason being is because I've made several changes at once. Things got a little bit complicated. And it turns out that the Samsung Odyssey smart monitor on the second PC was really effing me up, because now I've gone to a very cheap BenQ monitor that I had in the garage, and it seems to be working perfectly, and it's working through my HD 60X. Don't know if the audio is working yet, we will find out as we go, but at least I can get on with this video. So, okay, right, let's do it. So boot, we are set up all ready to boot from the Kingston, and the 250 gig SATA drive has been wiped and is ready to go. So we're going to save and exit, and hopefully this time it works. It's doing something. Let's go. Perfect, nice. Okay, it's looking great. Now I just need to hope that the audio works, and then we finally will have solved the problem with 2 episodes to go. But don't worry, I'm going to think of something else to do. Right, okay, so we are off, and today we are looking at Nobara. Now, why do they always have the spinny wheel? Why can't they have like a straight line, like Knight Rider, you know? I don't know if that's the sound or not. But it looks too much like Windows. Come on, please work. Oh, where's the green come from? I thought we got rid of the green. Yay, it's working. Now I'm really intrigued to know if the audio works, because if it does, that would be so cool. Turns out I just had to use a cheap ass monitor. Right, okay, let's go. Where are we? So welcome to Nobara Linux 42 installer. This program will ask you some questions and set up Nobara Linux on your computer. Perfect. Start off with language. British. Wait, what? Oh, dude, what are you doing? Huh. Okay. Spell colour without a U. Favorite without a U. Location. Actually, there's a next down here, isn't there? Let's click next. So this is Calamara's, I think. So we're in London. Yeah, that's fine. We want a US keyboard because my keyboard is in fact US. Usual stuff. Nobara PC, that's fine. We're going to make sure the caps lock's not on. It's a little A down the bottom there. Look, appears down here. Oh, that's cool. So that's on, that's off. Right, make sure it's off. Okay, cool. Okay. Reuse user password as root. Yes. Log in automatically. No. We'll make sure the password works. Next, partitions. We are going to erase the disk, but we're going to erase that one. We're going to do the swap. That's fine. And then this is the current drive, empty as you can see, and this is what it's going to look like afterwards. It's got a swap at the end, so we're going to have 200 gigs worth of space. That's fine. That's enough, right? That's enough for 2 games these days. Not that we need it for 2 games. That's the summary of what's going on. Nice. Click next. Nobara Linux installer is about to make changes to your disk in order to install Nobara Linux 42. You will not be able to undo these changes. Perfect. Let's do it. Cool. Very cool. So what we've got going on? Oh, what's this? New game? Huh? Oh, okay. That's cool. Right. Okay. How do we win this? I'm guessing, I don't know. What do you do? What happens a click? Oh, okay. Well, let's see if we can get it all to one colour. Let's get it all to green. I mean, this is fun. Is there any kind of scoring going on? Can't see a score. Can you get stuck? 10,000. Oh, okay. We're going to do everything but blue. That. Oh, no. Quick. We're running out of time. Oh, no, I ruined it. 86,948. Beat that. Go and create a VM. Install Nobara 42 just to play this game, see if you can beat my score. I dare you. Post your results below. Actually, no, I want to see a screenshot. Screenshots over on Reddit. Then it's Game of Life subreddit. I almost had it though. I made a couple of mistakes there. But anyway, through the power of editing, whoosh. So yeah, I was waffling on for a couple of minutes at the beginning, but we're 10 minutes into the install and we seem to be stuck at 93%. And I wonder why. Should we have a look at the log? That's nice, but it seems to be stuck. It says running shell processes. Wait, what? Nobara Pica OS? Additional repo. Huh. So I'm guessing this is all the install script. So running queue list, DNF, disable repo, remove Calamares, Anaconda. Shall we have a quick look at console and just type in top and see what's going on? So what we got going on in here? So we have Python doing some stuff. Okay. And DNF. Oh, it's probably updating then, isn't it? Is that what it's doing? That's it. Finished? Oh, it has finished. There we go. Right. So restart now. So it takes about 20 minutes. Oh no, less than 20 minutes. It's cool. It's quite a nice install experience because it keeps you busy. Got things that you can do. It's quite smooth. There's a clear indication of what's going on. It's not just a black screen with a spinny wheel, and I quite like that. Although that might come now, right? So let's do it. Restart now. What did I just say? There we go. Nobara, KDE. Let's go. Right, okay, let's get logged in. Yay, we're logged in. Let's go. Okay, so thank you for choosing Nobara. This welcome screen will help guide you through the available resources for Nobara, as well as help you set up your computer to your liking. First steps, update my system. Yeah, we should do that. Let's go. Well, that's different. Currently no, oh, hang on. It's doing something. So it does look like it was doing the updates as part of the install, which is why it was taking a bit longer, which is very cool actually. I just wish it said updating, you know. Okay, next, codecs. Yep, let's do that. Due to US patent laws, we are not able to include some important video playback and encoding packages on the Nobara installation media. However, these are freely available to download and install with your consent, which we're asking for now. Yes, please. There's quite a few there. I don't recognize some of them, so I must be missing some. No open, okay, that one I don't have. Nice. That's all complete, excellent. What else? Open driver manager. A driver utility to install various drivers such as the proprietary NVIDIA drivers that significantly increase performance. I don't have a NVIDIA card, but we're going to have a look. Control, okay, well, that's quite useful. And then we've got Open Drive Mount Manager. What's that then? Configure automatic mounting of disk storage drive. Oh, that's useful. That is very useful. Let's have a look what that looks like. Ah, so if you did install another drive that you wanted to put your games on or whatever, then you'd easily be able to do it on here to set up as a auto mount and a desktop shortcut, which I don't want to do because the other drives are being used. Okay, that is very useful. Nice, and that's it. Right, okay, optional steps. Open the software, install Proton-GE. Duh. Install to get started. Right, okay. I thought they were already installed. Wait, what? Install web apps. Oh, that's nice. That's very cool. Huh, that's very cool indeed. Discord, OBS, that's cool, that's cool. This is really cool. Visit troubleshoot issues page, join the community, contribute. Okay, so the question is Steam installed? It is. Huh, well that was bloody easy. Except Steam's not opening now. Now I did remember seeing a video from Shane, something to do with Steam not starting and how to fix it, but I can't recall how because I've not had that problem myself. Oh, there we go. It's just taking a bit of time. All right then, I best get my phone and get us logged in. Right, so we are logged in to Steam. Let's get our usual game installed, shall we? For those that want to know, I did actually try Where Winds Meet and it actually runs quite well. But let's try this one, because that's the one we've been running throughout the series. So it's putting it into my home directory, that's fine. I don't want to create an application shortcut, not really. And it's going to download it from Tinternet, yes. Let's get my controller, hadn't I? I've done it again. There we go, controller plugged in. I have noticed though, if you go to install a game that's not native, it automatically installs Proton the first time. Oh, and the runtime. So it installs Proton Experimental, it installs the game, and it looks like it's then going to do the runtime. Right then, I wonder if the audio works. I haven't even tested the audio yet. Let's press play and see what happens. Don't think there's any audio, is there? No. I wonder. Do that. You can see the audio. Can you hear it? Looks like you might be able to hear it, you know. Now I can't hear the audio because I've got it muted through OBS, but I can see that it's there. We've got audio, people. Let me see if I can fix that quick. Okay, so future Mo here. I actually broke the audio, but I broke it in OBS because I set it to mute the output. So I could actually hear it as I was going through the rest of the video, but I'd actually muted the output. So yeah, sorry about that. Maybe in the very last video of this gaming distro series, I will actually fix it. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Oh, what happened? I don't know. I think I might have pressed the wrong button there. Hang on. I think I pressed exit. Yay! Let's go. Oh, hang on. Start game. Easy, easy. Put that in there. Grab that. Click that. Do that, do that. Pop that in there. And then we can run to the next level. Core plunder. Oh, got me. Hit me. It hit me. Hit me. How dare you? Let's pop that on there. Yay, let's go. Anyway, I get carried away and play that. Right, we are going to exit out of here and we're going to go and have a look a little bit more. Okay, so let's have a very quick look at what we've got down here. So we've got updates, settings. So it's going to be a standard KDE plasma setup. That's fine. Brave, which is completely overrated in my opinion, unless it's already been configured without all the bloat. Skip. Dark mode. Next. No. See, this really pisses me off. No, not maybe later. No. Uninstall. Right. Okay. So that's to do updates. We're not going to do that now. Wait, what? What does it need to update now? Okay. No updates. Okay, that was weird. Oh, okay. It's just got a different icon. Somehow. So wait, what? Okay. What's this? Steam. So there's no Steam icon. Got Brave in there twice. Definitely remove that. And then this flat post. That's very interesting. Productivity. So if I go into all. Oh, where is it? Let's go up to here and go a critter. All right, critter. There it is. Okay. So do you get the choice to install whether it's Flatpak or is it all Flatpak? Doesn't tell me, does it? Install or that looks like it's a Flatpak. I still don't know what this system mode does. Close that. Settings. Oh, so that's permission. So this is all Flatpak then. So the whole thing here is Flatpak. Oh, okay. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. If you wanted to install it differently, then like Steam, maybe you would do it through DNF. Huh, very cool. I'm actually very impressed with Nobara. I'm not going to lie. I think it's similar to my workflows though. So things like obviously gaming and content creation and the media codecs and all that sort of stuff. It's just helping you through all of that, which I think is quite useful. So if you're coming from Windows and you're a gamer and you do content creation and productivity stuff and you want it nice and simple, this is definitely the one, I think. Now, am I going to swap to Nobara from Fedora? Probably not, because I've now got Fedora set up to where I need it to be. And I'm even starting to look at making it less, so it's even more focused on what I need it to be. But if you're not that way inclined, and you don't want to go through the hassle of working out how to install all of the things, like DaVinci Resolve and Steam and all that stuff, Nobara is really, really good. I highly recommend. So there you go, Linux gamers, that is Nobara by the amazing GloriousEggroll. If you made it this far, as always, please pop a comment down below. If not, then just leave an emoji just for the sake of engagement. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, and I'll catch you in the next one, which is the last one, and is